Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today we're going to be making a very fun, very tropical ice cream recipe. This is a no-churn ice cream recipe, but if you have one that requires a ice cream maker, you can use this same process. So what I'll be using here is our Guava Artisan Natural Flavor and our Pineapple Artisan Natural Flavor to make a fun little tropical treat for the summer. So again, super easy. We're basically just gonna mix everything into a bowl and pop it in the freezer until it is frozen and ready to eat. Okay, now it's time to mix it all together. So I have just a big Pyrex here. Any bowl works. I'm just using this because it's easier to measure. So we're going to be doing 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. You wanna make sure it is cold straight from the fridge. Here we go, 2 cups. And then 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You want this chilled as well. We're just going to pour this directly into our Pyrex. And I'm gonna scrape it down to make sure we get it all. Next, let's add in our artisan flavors. So we're using guava here. And I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of guava artisan. And we'll also be using 1 tablespoon of our pineapple artisan. And with this one, it does have a little bit of sediment separation, so you just shake it up, get everything mixed together, and that's because we use the real fruit in this. So this actually contains pineapple and this actually contains guava. And which is great because it's like, where do you find actual guavas? They're really not that easy to find, especially if you don't live in warmer, more tropical areas. 1 tablespoon in there. And now we just mix this all together. All right, that is beautiful, mixed together. I'm going to also add in some toasted coconut here. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in. I don't wanna go too overboard, a little bit more. Awesome, that looks good. Just mix it in until it's nice and combined. Perfect. So lastly, all we need to do is pour it into the container you wanna freeze it in. So I just have a nice ice cream container here. I'm gonna pour it in. Perfect. Pop on the lid and put it in the freezer. This will probably take overnight to freeze. So our ice cream is done freezing. I made a batch yesterday for the sake of time. So this was freezing overnight. I let it sit out for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften up. And now let's scoop it into our ice cream bowl. All right, here is our finished ice cream. It's nice, it's smooth, it's creamy. You can really see those nice little toasted coconuts in there. But most importantly, let's give it a try and see if it tastes good. That is absolutely out of this world, tropical, delicious ice cream. It's really smooth, really creamy, bursting full of flavor, but it's not overly sweet. And the toasted coconut was a very, very good choice to add into there because it really added some texture and also, you know, another level of tropical summertime fun. So I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. You give it a try at home, but also keep in mind, you don't have to use guava or pineapple. If those aren't your favorite flavors or you just aren't a fan of them at all, you can use any combination or even just a single one of our Artisan Natural Flavors. So if you give it a try at home, be sure to let us know in the comments below what you thought about it. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new recipe or tips and tricks. You can also find us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. See you next time.